Hey guys, this is my first ever YouTube video, so if you like it, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe and hit bell notification because bell notification notifies you whenever a new video of mine comes out. Enjoy! So, we're going to be doing SFX on my arm, so the first thing we're going to need is fake blood. You can either get bottled or spray. Personally, spray is better because it's more realistic. The second thing you're going to need is Vaseline because Vaseline makes your skin. Then the third thing you're gonna need is a foundation. Just a small brush because this is gonna help a lot. Then you're gonna need a foundation brush and foundation. Then you're gonna need some black face paint and some tissue paper. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is use some Vaseline. So you're gonna get a nice big chunk of Vaseline and spread it all over your arm. So if you want a small cut, you're gonna have to do it quite small, but not. It honestly, it's up to you what size you want. I went for quite big because personally, the bigger size is better because it has more of an effect and it looks more realistic. People kind of fall for it more, but it's completely up to you. And also, you don't have to do this just on your arm. You can do it on your face, but your arm's the easiest because you can do it's easy to get to. So for it to dry, you can either wait for it to dry or you can use a hairdryer. Personally, hairdryer is better because it's quicker. So I'm just going to use a hairdryer. It literally takes 2 minutes. So you can actually hairdryer it close to the Vaseline because it's quicker. But you don't want to get it too close because if you do too close, it can mess up the Vaseline and the Vaseline goes weird. So yeah, make sure you use a hairdryer. Personally, from my advice, it's quicker. Trust me, 100%. Okay, so once you've let it dry, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your small paintbrush and just literally make a line down the middle of your the Vaseline. So you can do fancy and you can do zigzag. Personally, if you're a beginner, trust me, just go for a straight line down your arm. It works 100%. And it's easier to apply blood, and when you come to the tissue paper process, it's 100% easier. Okay, so now you've done your line down your arm, you're going to get tissue paper. Now, normally when you have 2 strands of tissue paper, literally cut it into 2, so you have 2 different strands, then get a little tiny piece and start adding it to your cut, because this is going to be the effect of your skin. This is going to make it look like this is your skin, so when you rip it off, it's genuinely going to look like skin. Okay, so now with the exact same small brush, you are just going to make a line. Once you've added the tissue paper, you're now going to make a line again, just to so you know where the line is. You're just going to make another line down the middle, the exact same line. This is going to be an easier guide for you. It's going to be quite tricky with the tissue paper because the tissue paper haven't quite set yet. Again, you can use a hairdryer, but it's just hassle. This is just the quick and easy way of doing it. So just stick to this way personally. Okay, so we're now moving on to the most satisfying and easiest part of this whole entire makeup look. Basically, put foundation onto a foundation brush and just start dabbing around the area. You know you're not done until any whiteness of tissue paper is completely out of your cut. Okay, now basically you're going to get your foundation brush again and your spray blood, and you're going to dab like you did with the foundation except with the blood. You're going to dab all around your cut. Be careful, make sure you don't actually go down the line what we done previously. Just literally dab. You can you can literally dab as much as you want to make it look as real as you want. Like I said at the start of the video, it depends on how big or how small your cut is. So as you can see, I'm going up my arm and down my arm quite a lot because I want this to look as realistic as possible. But yeah, if you want this, if you have a small cut, personally, 10 dabs around the area will be fine. I think I went a bit overboard on the dabs on this one, but yeah. With the brush again, just gonna make you're just gonna go underneath the skin, underneath the tissue paper, and you're just going to fold over. So this actually makes the look now as if it's real skin, as you can see. You can you could do this with any side of the brush, but now you're gonna get your foundation brush again and some black face paint, and like you did with the blood, just dab the black face paint onto your foundation brush and just dab around the area again to mix the black and the blood in together to make it even more realistic. So yet again, if you have a small cut, 10 dabs. 5 to 10 dabs will be fine with this. I've gone up my arm even more because when the red and the black mixes in together, it genuinely looks really cool. So as you can see, I'm adding more blood to make it add more effect, because I might have put a bit too much black on it. But don't worry, if you put too much black, or if you feel you put too much blood, just add more black. If you feel you put too much black, add more blood, because near enough the same colour when they mix together. So yeah, it's going to be cool. Yeah, again, I'm adding more blood. You could honestly use this as like Halloween makeup, or if it's for a prank to scare your friends, but it's good to know about. You're then going to use your small brush again to lift the skin up even more on the opposite side. You're then going to add some black paint onto your small brush and actually go to the bottom of your skin and just start painting like I am doing now, black, because yet again, when you mix the black and blood together, it makes a really grim and gross effect. I've just got a thicker brush here, so like the smaller brush, I've just added some blood to it. So, but you can use any brush you want, any brush throughout this video. It doesn't have to be small, but small is preferably better. Then I'm going to add some blood inside the cut where I put the black recently, and just mix it all together. Keep mixing. You can fold the skin over however you want, but if it starts dripping, just put some tissue paper there and just wipe it away quickly, because you don't want the blood to stain. So like I've done, I've just dabbed some tissue there, and now I'm just going to hair dry it again, because this makes it set and makes it look better. You don't have to hair dry it if you want it to look like it's recently just happened, but if you're going out for Halloween, just hair dry it, 'cause it stays on there longer. So now I'm just wiping away any excess blood. So guys, this is the end of the video. It looks really cool. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on bell notifications, guys. It means a lot. If you want any more videos, comment down below what you want. It's been a pleasure. Thanks, guys.